Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To connect Roku to Wi-Fi without a remote, you'll need to set up a mobile hotspot on one device. Download the Roku app to use as a remote on another device. Then use the Roku app to connect your Roku to the same mobile hotspot network.
Let's help you make your mark.
Select the grid-shaped icon on your phone to launch the mobile settings screen. Touch the mobile hotspot option. Roku stick. Connect Roku to Wi-Fi without remote. Open the hotspot menu by selecting the Setup Mobile Hotspot option. This step may vary based on the Android mobile you use.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Roku has a downloadable mobile app in the Apple App Store and Google Play that includes a remote control. So if you're okay with using your smartphone as your new Roku remote, you can replace that lost one for $0.
Take our lead.
How to use your Roku without a remote. Download and install the Roku app. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Then tap Devices. Next, select your Roku device. Then tap the remote icon. Finally, you can use the remote on the app to control your TV.
Let's help you make your mark.
Get the app. The Roku mobile app is free for both iOS, Apple, and Android devices and will turn your phone into a control center for both your Roku TV or streaming player. You can install the app on your smartphone and/or tablets.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.